Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. Myself Raza, and in this video I am going to discuss the multiple choice questions related to the chapter Mensuration of class 10. So this particular video is useful for all competitive exams, so based on class 10 syllabus, and I have made videos related to the other chapters. So if you haven't gone through them, so please watch them, and if you like the videos, so please share with your friends so that they also get benefited from these videos. Right, so this particular video I have discussed the previously asked questions related to this chapter. Right, so let us see those previously asked questions. So question number 1, the total surface area of a cube is 54 centimeters square, then its side is dash centimeters. So here the important thing is you need to know all the formulas related to these solid figures. So if you are good at the formulas, so we can solve any problem, right? Now let us see first question, the total surface area of a cube. So total surface area of cube is nothing but given by 6 into a square, so which is nothing but 54 centimeters square. Now in 6 tables, so I can cancel this 54 9 times. So from this what I am going to have, a square is equal to 9. So from this a is equal to square root of 9. So square root of 9 is nothing but 3 centimeters. Hence the answer is 3 centimeters. Next, question number 2. Base area of a regular cylinder is 154 centimeters square. Then its radius is. Now if you observe this carefully, so the base area of regular cylinder. So what is the meaning of regular cylinder? So regular cylinder means nothing but right circular cylinder. So regular cylinder means right circular cylinder. So right circular cylinder means the base will be a circle. Now that means, so what he has given, so base area is 154 centimeter square. That means area of circle is 154 centimeter square. Now from this, so pi r square is equal to 154. So pi can be written as 22 by 7 into r square, which is equal to 154. So from this, r square can be written as, so this is 154 into this 22 by 7. When you transpose, it becomes 7 by 22. Now clearly in 22 table, so this can be cancelled 7 times. So from this, r square is equal to 7 square. So clearly r is equal to 7 centimeters. Hence the answer is 7 centimeters. Next, coming to question number 3. So if height and radius of a cone are 1.5 and 8 centimeters, then its slant height is. Now writing down the values. So what he has given. So height is 1.5 centimeters and radius is 8 centimeters. Now what is he asking you to find? The slant height. So slant height is given by L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. Now for suppose here h is 1.5 centimeters. So whenever the number is given in decimals, so simply consider it into, so convert it into fraction form. So 1.5 is nothing but 3 by 2. So we can write as 3 by 2 whole square plus r square means 8 square. So from this what I am going to get? So 9 by 4 plus 8 square is 64. So on simplification, I am going to get 256. So 464 is 256 plus 9 is 265 divided by 4. So which is equal to 16 point something divided by 2. So which gives me 8 point something. Right? But in the options we don't have that 8 point something. For suppose if I change this 1.5 centimeters as 6 centimeters, if I change this 1.5 centimeters as 6 centimeters, then my slant height would be 10 centimeters. Okay, or if this 1.5 centimeters, if I change it as 15 centimeters, so we are having a Pythagorean triplet 8, 15 and 17. So then L would be 17 centimeters. So here there is a mistake. So this is not 1.5. So if you are having 1.5, then you are going to get 8 point something. So which is not given in the options, right? So if you want to get this particular 10, which is in the options, then this particular height should be 6 centimeters. Now coming to question number 4, curved surface area of hemisphere is. So this is a direct question. So if you know the formulas, then you can directly answer it. So curved surface area of hemisphere is nothing but half of the surface area of sphere. So which is nothing but 2 pi r square. Now if we ask about total surface area of hemisphere, then this would be the answer, 3 pi r square, right? Next, volume of a cube having side 1 centimeter is, so side is given as a is equal to 1 centimeter. Now volume of cube is given by a cube centimeter cube, so which is nothing but 1 cube centimeter cube. So 1 cube is nothing but 1, hence the answer is 1 centimeter cube, right? Next, moving on to question number 6. The ratio of volumes of two spheres is 8 is to 27. Then the ratio of their curved surface areas is. Now for this, so first of all, you need to write down the volumes formula. So volume formula is nothing but, so what is the volume formula of sphere? So volume of sphere is given by 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. Now if you observe this carefully, here 4/3 pi. So this is nothing but a constant. That means my volume of sphere is directly proportional to radius, cube of the radius. So based on this, what I can say, so V1 by V2 will be is equal to R1 by R2 whole cube. V1 by V2 is equal to whole cube, right? So V1 by V2 is equal to R1 by R2 whole cube. So based on this, so already ratio of two spheres is given as 8 by 27. So 8 by 27 is equal to R1 by R2 whole cube. So that cube I can write here as whole power 1 by 3. So based on this, I am going to get R1 by R2 is equal to 2 by 3, because 8 is nothing but 2 cube, 27 is 3 cube. So whole power 1 by 3 will cancel with whole cube. So we are going to get R1 by R2 is equal to 2 is to 3. But what did he ask? The ratio of their curved surface areas. Again, I need to write down the curved surface area. So curved surface area of sphere is given by 4 pi r square. So here clearly 4 pi is constant. That means CSA is directly proportional to square of the radius. So from this, what I can say? So CSA 1 by CSA 2 is equal to R1 by R2 whole square. So from this, we can write as 2 by 3 whole square, which is equal to 4 by 9. Hence the answer is 4 is to 9. Next, football is in a model of, so football is it looks like a sphere, hence the answer is sphere. Next, if the volume of a cube is 216 centimeter cube, then its side is dash centimeters. So already we know volume of cube is a cube. So already volume of cube is given as 216, which is equal to a cube. So 216 means it is 6 cube. 6 cube is equal to a cube. On comparison, a is equal to 6 centimeters. Hence the answer is 6 centimeters. Next, the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is. So curved surface area of right circular cylinder is nothing but given by 2 pi RH. So hence the answer is 2 pi RH. So if we ask about volume, so volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and this particular thing is nothing but total surface area of cylinder. Okay. So here the asked question is curved surface area, hence 2 pi r h is the answer. Next, moving on to question number 10. The curved surface area of a sphere will be dash whose radius is 10 centimeters. That means radius is given as 10 centimeters. Now is asking you to find out curved surface area of sphere. So curved surface area, total surface area of sphere is nothing but given by 4 pi r square. And one more thing, here you can observe all the options are in pi's. So no need of substituting pi is equal to 22 by 7. So from this 4 pi into, so 10 square. So already 10 square is nothing but 100. 100 into 4 is 400 pi centimeter square. Hence the answer is 400 pi centimeter square. Next, the volume of a cube will be dash whose total surface area is 216 centimeter square. Now he has given total surface area of cube. So what is total surface area of cube? Total surface area of cube is given by 6a square, right? So which is equal to 216 centimeter square. Now in 6 table I can cancel it out. So 6 3s are 18, 6 6 are 36. So from this a is equal to square root of 36, so which is equal to 6 centimeters. And side is 6 centimeters. So when side or edge length is 6 centimeters, then volume of that particular cube is given by a cube, so which is equal to 6 cube. So 6 cube is 216 centimeter cube. Hence the answer is 216 centimeter cube. So you may have a doubt. So total surface area is also 216, but here the difference is units. So 216 centimeter square means it is a surface area, where 216 centimeter cube means it is volume, right? Next, a famous book written by ancient mathematician Aryabhatta is. So it is given in the previous year question. So Aryabhatyam is the book written by Aryabhatta. Next, moving on to question number 13. So which of the following vessels can be filled with more water? Now, for suppose if this base length is considered as 1, then we need to find out the volumes of each figure. So which figure will have more volume, so that will hold more water, right? So going on with the first figure. So since base is 1 and height is 4, then what is the radius of the first figure? So radius is half, and and height is 4. Then volume is given by. So this is about A, figure A, right? Then what is volume of this? Pi r square h, pi into r square h. Now this particular volume depends on the value of radius and height. So radius is already, so 1 by 2 whole square into h is 4 centimeters. So pi into 1 by 4 into 4. So 4 gets cancelled. So hence the volume of A is pi centimeter cube, or unit cube, something, right? Next, talking about B. So radius is nothing but, so since this total length is 4, so radius we need to consider half of it. Next, height is given as 1 centimeter. Now from this, volume of B is given by pi into r square means 2 square into h is 1. So from this I can write as 4 pi centimeter cube. So on comparison, so this is pi and this is 4 times of pi. So clearly volume of B is greater than volume of A. Hence B can hold more amount of water. Hence the answer is answer B. Next, the volume of right circular cylinder with radius 6 centimeters. So radius is 6 centimeters and height is equal to 7 centimeters. So what is he asking? Volume. So volume of cylinder is given by pi r square h. Now since there is no pi in the given question, so in the options, so simply replace pi with 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into r is 6 into 6 into height. So h is 7. So 7 gets cancelled. So 22 into 36. So 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. Next 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So on adding, so what I am going to get? 2, 9 and 7. Hence the answer is 792. Right? A sphere of radius r inscribed inside a cylinder. A sphere of radius r is inscribed inside a cylinder. The surface area of the sphere of the cylinder. The surface area of sphere is equal to dash of the cylinder. Right? So what he has given? So inside a cylinder. So this is a cylinder. So inside the cylinder, a sphere is kept, right? So when a sphere is kept inside a cylinder, then what we can say? The height of the cylinder will be equal to 2 times the radius of the sphere, right? So height of cylinder is equal to 2 times of the radius of the sphere. So height of cylinder is equal to 2 times of radius of sphere. So from this I can say that this is radius and this is r and this is also r. Now from this I can consider the values for cylinder. So if I consider cylinder, so what are the values that we have? So radius is equal to radius and height is equal to 2 times of radius. Next, coming to sphere. So what are the things we have? So for sphere, radius is equal to radius. Now what is he asking? The surface area of sphere. So what is surface area of sphere? So surface area of sphere is given by 4 times of pi r square, right? The same way, coming to the surface area of cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder is nothing but given by, so 2 pi rh, right? So 2 pi rh. Now substituting the values, 2 pi into R is nothing but R and H is nothing but 2R. Now from this, on simplification, 2 2s are 4, pi R square. Now here CSA of cylinder is nothing but equal to surface area of sphere. So from this, surface area of sphere is equal to curved surface area of cylinder. So it is equal to curved surface area of cylinder, right? So likewise we can apply this condition. Next, moving on to question number 16. The maximum length of the stick that can be placed inside a cuboid whose measurements are 8, 4 and 1. So here the length is 8, breadth is 4 and height is 1. The maximum length of the stick. So if you want maximum length of stick, so maximum length of the stick is nothing but equal to the diagonal of the cuboid. So it is nothing but diagonal of the cuboid. The diagonal of the cuboid is given by root over L square plus B square plus H square. Now directly substituting the values. So it is given by 8 square plus 4 square plus 1 square under square root. So 8 square is 64, 4 square is 16 plus 1. So how much it is? 64, 70, 80, 81. So square root of 81, which is equal to 9 centimeters. Hence the maximum length of stick that can be kept inside the box is 9 centimeters. Next, a cylinder and cone have same bases of equal radii and of equal heights. Then their volumes are in the ratio. So here radius of cylinder is equal to radius of cone and height of cylinder is equal to height of cone. So already we know about volumes. So volume of cylinder is nothing but given by pi r square h and volume of cone is given by 1/3 pi r square h. Now from this what I can say? So I can write volume of cone is equal to 1/3 of volume of cylinder. Now what is he asking? The order is cylinder and cone. So order is cylinder and cone, the same way we are going to consider. So from this, volume of cylinder by volume of cone. So volume of cylinder by volume of cone is given by 3:1. So volume of cylinder will be always 3 times the volume of cone when they have equal radius and equal heights, right? So volume of cylinder by volume of cone is 3:1. If he asks a reverse order, so volume of cone by volume of cylinder, then you need to consider 1:3, right? Next, total surface area of solid sphere is. So what is total surface area of solid hemisphere? Sorry, hemisphere. So here the radius is given as. So here the radius is 7 centimeters. And what is he asking? Total surface area. So what is total surface area of hemisphere? It is nothing but 3 pi r square. So 3 pi r square. And here the options you can see that pi is available. So we can write, so 3 into pi into r square is 49. So 9 3s are 27, 4 3s are 12. So hence it is 147 pi. Hence option C will be my answer. Next, radius of a cone. So radius of a cone is r and height is h and its slant height is l. Then which of the following is false? So already we know l square is equal to h square plus r square. So this is nothing but the relation between slant height and radius of the cone. Now already, so L square is equal to h square plus r square. That means this L square is the combination of these two parts, right? Clearly what I can say, L will be greater than h and L will be greater than r. So L will be greater than h and L will be greater than r. So from this, so first option is true, second option is also true, next fourth option is also true. Then always r is greater than. So option C we cannot say about it, hence option C will be false statement. Next, radius, height, slant height of a cone are r, h and l respectively. Then l value in terms of r and h. So already l is equal to, we know, h square plus r square. So hence the answer is l is equal to root over r square plus h square. Next, so this is like repeated question. So volumes of two spheres are in the ratio 8 is to 27. So already, so v1 by v2 can be written as, so r1 cube by r2 cube, so which is equal to 8 by 27. So based on this, r1 by r2 is equal to 2 by 3. So already I have discussed this bit previously, right? So that's why I'm giving it the direct answer. The ratio of their surface areas, so surface area 1 by surface area 2 will be equal to r1 by r2 whole square, so which is nothing but 2 by 3 whole square, which is 4 by 9. Hence the answer is 4 is to 9. Right, next moving on to question number 22. A solid ball is exactly fitted inside a cubical box of side length a. So inside a cube, so there is a cube. So inside this cube is spherical ball or a solid ball is kept inside. So from this, if the side length of the box is a, then from this what I can say? What I can say from this? The side length is equal to diameter of the sphere. So diameter of sphere. So the diameter of sphere is equal to side length of a. So from this 2 times of r is equal to a. From this r is equal to a by 2. Now what did he ask? The volume of the ball. So volume of the ball is nothing but it is in the shape of sphere. So we need to consider the volume of sphere. So 4/3 pi r cube is nothing but the formula. By substituting the value, since the options contains pi, so we need to leave the pi as it is, into r cube. So r cube means nothing but a cube by 8. So in 4 table, so this goes 2 times, and this is nothing but given as a cube into pi by 6. That means 1/6 pi a cube. So 1 by 6 into pi a cube. Right. Next question number 23. If the total surface area of the cube is 96 centimeters square, then the side of the cube is. Now, if you observe this carefully, total surface area of cube is given by 6 times of a square, which is given as 96 centimeter square. So, in 6 table, so 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36. So, from this, a is equal to square root of 16, which is equal to 4 centimeters. Hence, the answer is 4 centimeters. Next, base area of prism is 30 centimeters square and its height is 10 centimeters. Then the volume of prism. So volume of prism is given by area of the base into height. Volume of prism is given by area of the base into height. So area of the base is 30 into height is 10. So 30 into 10, it is nothing but 300 centimeter cube. Since it is volume 300 centimeter cube. So while selecting the options, so be careful. So here both the options have 300, but units are different. So here units are very important. So that is the reason why we are stressing this, right? Next question number 25. The volume of a cone with base radius. So base radius is given as 7 centimeters and volume is given as 462 centimeter cube. Then its height is. So already we know volume of cube is given by, volume of cone. So what is volume of cone formula? So 1/3 pi r square h. Now substituting the value, so what I am going to get? 462 is equal to 1 by 3 into, so taking pi as 22 by 7 into radius is given as 7, hence 7 into 7 into h. Now simplifying these values, so what I am going to get? 1 7 gets cancelled with 1 7. Next, in 7 table, so this 462 cancels, so 7 6 are 42. Next 7 6 are 42 again, so this 22 in 66, so it cancels 3 times. Then what I am going to do, on left hand side I am having 3, so 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into h. So on doing cross multiplication, so h will be 9 centimeters. Hence the answer is 9 centimeters. Next, if total surface area of cube is, so 96 centimeters square, then its volume is, so already this question is repeated, right? So what is total surface area of cube? So it is given as 6a square, so which is equal to 96 centimeter square. So 6 in 96 it cancels, so already here it is, right? So from this directly can I write a is equal to, so from this directly can I write a is equal to 4 centimeters, because already we have done here, right? So the same thing, so we got here, so a is equal to 4 centimeters. So when a is equal to 4 centimeters, what is he asking? So volume. So volume is nothing but a cube, which is nothing but 4 cube. So 4 cube is nothing but 64 centimeter cube. Hence the answer is 64 centimeter cube. Next, the volume of a cone. So he's asking you to find out volume of cone whose radius is given as 3 centimeters and height is given as 8 centimeters. Now what is volume of cone? 1/3 pi. So pi can be written as 22 by 7 into r square. So r square means 3 into 3 into h is 8 centimeters. So this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Here pi is as it is, so no need of changing it. So 8 3 is 24 pi. Hence the answer is 24 pi centimeter cube. So the answer is 24 pi centimeter cube, right? So these are the previously asked questions related to this chapter, right? So thank you for watching the video. So stay connected with the channel for further more videos.